We're back in the shop. About to get some work in and show y'all how these bikes is coming along and get them out. I've been going through hell trying to get videos on, so I've been stacking them up, but I ain't been tripping. I've just been trying to make progress. That's the whole thing and motive at the end of the day for these customers. So that's what we on. So stay tuned. About to be sliding and get you a sliding beanie while you can before it's too late, man. Description below. Thank you, we sliding. So I went and seen, we went ahead and had this thing completed. We put the new harness on there, got it juiced up, everything coming along. So we're about to take that battery out. We got this battery. This is the original battery the owner brought for this. We got it fully juiced up. So I got some faith we can get a first startup, man. So let's do it. Stay tuned. About to finish assembling this thing with that fresh paint. Finish getting this thing on its way with that trans. And we're gonna finish adding this music on so my boy could hit the road. So stay tuned, y'all. So we just put the battery on there. Let's see if we can get some type of juice. Fuel pump. Come on. I think it's that starter. So I feel like this for one, I'm gonna say this. I feel like the bike got a way better response than the first time we was trying to start it. I just feel like it's a little bit more of something. And I checked all the grounds and everything. I kind of feel like it's that starter. And I know for sure this is a brand new harness. Last time I tried to start it, it wasn't even lighting up on the dash how it was. So I know everything is good to go. So the battery is hot and ready. So we know that's good. So now we got to just go over the starter and then get another one to test it out and see if that's the problem. But we got it going and this thing is on its way. So we're going to try to finish up all the last little things and figure this out. But we still for sure waiting on another pipe. The one that was on here is bent, so we're not going with that one. So this thing should be out, man. I'm trying to get this thing on the road as soon as possible because it's long overdue. But it's like with the crash bikes, it's always something every time. So you got to figure it out before you push out a bike, you know? But about to keep getting it in. So I went ahead and tried to give it a start again, but I went ahead and fixed the dash. It's not completely straight, but we got it on here and working. Let's see what's going on. Got the Dakota Digital. This left blinker is messed up too. When the bike came down, you see it's cracked. So the button is still pushing. Gotta just get another one of them. But we got that thing working. I just know the starter is not working how it should. It's literally drained the battery more and more and more. And I just had it fully charged this morning. So I'm gonna go back over everything, make sure nothing is touching or spliced, but we got some power for show. That thing look good. So we are in the game, man. We got it coming. About to have this thing on its way, y'all. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna finish putting everything on this joint and getting it ready. So we're gonna have this thing on its way. So we just basically went ahead and I had some cups and some of the flat washers. So went ahead and threw them on the joint. We got them up top, all on the primary now. Got a few all up over here. I was gonna put them on here, but the way the cuff is, I'm the last of the cups, so I got them. So we doing what we could do. But this thing is looking amazing. This thing got washers and whatnot almost everywhere. This thing is looking good. So we're about to finish assembling these parts, man, and get this thing on the road. I'm gonna do these bolts right here, just like I did on the red Road King. So y'all can see how he got the red ones going up the windshield, then going back down. So we're about to do that. So we just went ahead and installed all the blue inside now. So that way we have all this coordinating how we want. I really love this dash, but good. But so now we're about to go ahead and connect these throttle lines. We already wired them up from the throttle through the bike. Now we gotta just put them to the grips. So we're gonna take this crash lever off and swap that out. So stay tuned. Most likely he's gonna purchase another brake thing. That's why I haven't put the fluid in there, so we can get these scrapes and all that off. Could really get a chrome one since that one is chromed out. So we just gotta get that and that button. But besides that, right now we're gonna swap these out. So stay tuned. This thing looks good. So basically, I had to take apart the whole back end of the bike with the rear fender and the back support just to get the Screaming Eagle rack off of here because it was on there, but the flares wasn't bolted. So we disassembled everything. Now we got it off right here. We're about to bolt these onto here. You already know, first things first, we're gonna get that bit Loctite. But yeah, this is it. I'm about to bolt that down, then we're gonna install it back and get everything else going. It's good shit right here. Every boat gotta have it. But yeah, we're gonna do that, then we're gonna put them bag latches on the PM ones. So stay tuned, man. We're getting it in, making it happen. So we got everything fully complete now. I basically had this bracket off because the inside back nut that came off. So I had to disassemble everything to get it back going. But this thing is looking amazing. We got the rack on there, all the bolts and everything back on here. Looking good. So we got it coming. Now we're gonna put them bags on and put the new bag latches on. So let's get to it. So we got the bags fully on there. Got these things on here looking good. I'm about to put the new bag latches on. I like this blue too, man. This thing looks amazing. But we're about to take these PM ones and throw these joints on. Swap the stock ones out. So we finally got this thing looking good. Y'all can see, we got that thing on there nice and clean. Got the PM bag latch now. He has a lot of performance machine parts, from the new bag latches to the trans, cam, brake, floorboards, grips, gas cap, mirrors, front and back wheels. That's the whole reason why I had to give him the washers, because this thing is a beast and it got so many details. It's everywhere. Just want it all to flow and coordinate and just make sense, man. Even if you can't see it, still want them there, you know? But it's coming along nice and well, man. So yeah, we coming. We got this thing looking better and better, man. So stay tuned. We're gonna keep this thing on the road.